Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. This is part 7 of our Excel formula series. In today's video, we'll learn something that is very important for real world reporting: how to convert a normal date into fiscal year and fiscal quarter using Excel date functions. So, this concept is widely used in MIS, finance, analytics, dashboards, and management reporting. So, let's get started. Why we need fiscal date logic? First, let's understand why this is needed. Most people work with calendar dates January to December, but in many companies, especially in India and global organizations, the financial year does not start in January. For example, financial year starts in April, year ends in March. So April 2024 belongs to FY 25. January 2025 belongs to FY 25. If we use normal year or quarter functions, our reporting becomes incorrect. That's why we need logical date functions. So base functions we'll use before writing fiscal logic. We need two basic functions. Assume the date is in uh, this cell. This is the date function. Uh, this is the table of finance data, and in M column we have the date. Uh, we have the date, and we'll use two functions here. One is month and another is year. Now I'll do here month and year. Year is already there. I will write it as financial year. Now I'll need it the month here. Month. So it's giving the month here. I'll change it to the number, and this also I'll do it here, showing in custom. Make it like this. Now we got the month and the year, right? Now fiscal year logic. If month is April or later, fiscal year equal to next year. If month is Jan to March, fiscal year equal to uh, current year. Got it? Now I'll apply the formula here for fiscal year, and equal to if month. I'll select the date here. Date equal to 4, comma fy, and write function will use, and here, then this date column, make it close, plus 1, comma 2. Correct? Else fy and write in this, comma 2. Close the brackets. showing some error here. Sorry, I missed year here. I have to put the year function here. Now see, we got FY14, FY15 as a see January, see 2030. We got September, October, November, and December as 2000 as FY14, correct? And 2014 as January, February, March as FY14. Now this logic is correct, right? Now this is we did it for this fiscal year. Now come to the fiscal quarter logic. Now let's calculate fiscal quarter. So fiscal quarter is April to June, it's Q1, July to September is Q2, October to December is Q3, Jan to March is Q4. I'll use ifs function here equal to ifs because we are using multiple conditions. So using ifs month, then select the date cell is greater equal to 4. This is the function, this is the logic here. Then q denotes to quarter. Then and int int is basically it is taking as an integer. It will consider this month as an integer. This comma month, so month minus 4, then divided by 3 plus 1, comma month, again this column A2 less than 4, q, again and again int month this plus 8 divided by 3 plus 1. Some parenthesis is missing here, which is this one. Got it? Now see we got Q1. Q1 it should start from April, May, June. See, we got the correct quarter here. We can select the Q2, July, August, and September. Good. Q3, October, November, and December. And Q4, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, with the quarter as with the financial year as well. Now, in real dashboards, we usually need both together. If we'll combine this as FY25 Q1, FY25 Q4, then what we have to do? I'm combining the formula with named as fiscal year and quarter. So the formula is equal to if month date column e2 is greater equal to 4, then financial year month right year this plus 1 comma 2 and this minus q and into int donates to integer month minus 4 divided by 3 plus 1 comma fy and again the right function years comma 2 and again let's q here and int, int function and then open month function, then this one plus 8 divided by 3 plus 1, then bracket close, and you'll get all the financial year and quarter combined. Correct. This format is perfect for pivot tables. We can show the trends as well. We can do the trend analysis. Some common mistakes I see using calendar quarters instead of fiscal quarters. Hard coding month numbers, not handling Jan to March correctly, mixing numbers and text without formatting. Always base your logic on month and year, not assumptions. Why this skill is important? You uh, fiscal year and fiscal quarters logic is essential because business reporting does not follow calendar dates. This skill is used in financial dashboards, sales reporting, analytics projects, Power BI and Power Query. So today we learned why fiscal date logic is needed, how to calculate